about it from a different perspective. Under the hood, LLM applications have followed kind of a similar arc if you look at how the agentic systems work. In the early days of BERT, when the first LLM started appearing, we started with single call features, basically things like summarization, and classification, and extraction. One prompt in, one response out. And many of us are familiar with this in the form of autocomplete for dev work, in IDEs or LLMs, so the text summarization, that kind of stuff. Then the next jump was starting to orchestrate multiple model calls and predefined control or control flows. So this is where the IDEs appeared and started providing more convenient flows to do development and to work with agentic systems. And next, unlike workflows, agents sort of decide their own trajectories. So they are operating independently based on environmental feedback and stated objectives. The model takes an action, observes the environment, and loops until a task is done with a human loop to steer or stop. So what's next is more of everything. Greater autonomy, stronger capabilities, persistent memory across sessions, essentially all that infrastructure tooling around what a model needs to function will continue improving. And already now models are becoming more and more autonomous, and long running models are becoming more and more common.